Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm gonna unbox, set up, and go out to sea in this Valwix 2-person inflatable kayak. So in this video, here's what's gonna happen. I am going to unbox it. We're going out to sea, and then I'm gonna come back, hopefully, and give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know how good this is or if it's crap. All right, let's unbox it, see what's in it, and inflate it, and go out to sea. Okay, so a couple things while I'm taking it apart. It comes with 2 sets of paddles, which is good because Nikki's gonna help me paddle, right, honey? Comes with a little micro-size inflator, which I'm going to opt out of for this setup. I believe this is a canopy. This actually comes with a full canopy with the awning tarp coverage on it. This is really, really nice, especially if somebody was like sensitive to the sun. Comes in a nice travel bag. How about that? Okay, let's see what we got in here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at that. Whew. Okay, so I believe we got seat backs there. This is a waterproof bag, dry bag.
Nice big one.
Nice big one, right? Some fins for extra stability. Instructions, I always recommend reading the instructions or having your wife read them so she could help you. And the rest, I believe, is a 2-person kayak capable of carrying 600 pounds out to sea here at the beach. All right, let's inflate it and put the rest of it together and we'll go from there.
Let's go. Okay, we're out to sea.
Together. Hey, everybody. Okay, I have to say, overall, the handling is really good, right?
Yeah.
It's easy to get in. Listen, if the 2 of us got in the first time without tipping it over, anybody could get in.
I'm normally a tipper, so this is all good. Take me somewhere. And so much easier to drive than kayaks we actually rented that you literally need 2 people to steer. I'm not really doing anything. I'm just sitting here. I would like to say that I am going to give this a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score.
That's a tough one to get from Nikki.
Yeah, this is awesome. Loving it.
Loving it.